Hello everyone and welcome to my video on earning cryptocurrencies with zero investment. Yes, you are right. What are you seeing? Crypto mining, trading and investing can be costly and require a lot of resources. However, there are several ways to earn cryptocurrency without investing any money. Means zero investment. In this video, I will share with you the top methods of earning cryptocurrencies for free. These methods are legit and don't require any investment. In this video, I will also explain the pros and cons of each method and give you some tips and advice on how to make the most of these methods. Whatever you are new to the world of cryptocurrency or an experienced investor, I hope this video will be helpful to you. So let's get started. At number one is Foret website. There are plenty of Foret websites that allow you to earn small amount of cryptocurrencies for free. All you need to do is complete some simple tasks such as playing games, watching videos, or solving captchas. The rewards are usually small, but they can add up over time. Foret's websites are a good way to learn about different cryptocurrencies and earn a small amount of cryptocurrencies for free. Or you can uh, tell them the passive income with crypto. Let's talk about the number two method. Method number two, cryptocurrency faucets. Cryptocurrency faucets are websites that dispense small amount of cryptocurrencies for free without any need. And here the word comes faucets. It means drops, little drops like water drops uh, after pouring water, few drops are draining. That's are faucets, and you free without any need to complete tasks. The amount of cryptocurrencies is usually small, like drops, just a few pennies, but it can add up over time. Cryptocurrencies that have faucets include Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, and many other coins. And at the end of the videos I will tell you what is faucets and how you can get these airdrops. Or method number three is about mining, but not the coal mining or land mining with riches. These mining is crypto mining with your digital tools. You require digital tools like your mobile phone. You can mine with your mobile phone, with your laptop, with computer, special mining devices like Regis. Some cryptocurrencies platform allow you to mine cryptocurrencies without any investing any money. However, the process can be time consuming and require a decently powerful computers. And the method 4 is crypto bounties. Yes, crypto bounties. Some platform offer bounties for completing specific tasks such as testing new softwares or reporting bugs. These bounties can be in the form of cryptocurrencies and they are a good way to earn cryptocurrencies for free. At number 5 are online service. Some platforms offer cryptocurrencies such as reward for completing online service. These services can be great way to earn cryptocurrencies for free. And you can usually redeem your earning in a variety of different cryptocurrencies. In summary, earning cryptocurrencies with zero investment is possible and there are several methods you can use to do it. The key is finding a method that works best for you and committing to it. Remember, these methods are legit and can help you earn cryptocurrencies for free, but the rewards are usually small. Nevertheless, they can add up over time, and it's a great way to learn and know about the different cryptocurrencies and earn small amount of cryptocurrencies for free. So why not give it a try? And that's it for this video on earning cryptocurrencies without zero investment. I hope I was able to provide you with some valuable information and insight. As always, do your own research and consult with experts before making any important decisions. And remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in next video. Bye bye.